If you create images using artificial intelligence, you may see watermarks like this and like this. You see this a lot if you use Microsoft Copilot. Sometimes Gemini will give you watermarks. And I'm going to show you a free tool here. This is called DE Watermark, and you can actually remove watermarks and text. So I'm going to show you two things in this video: how to remove watermarks and then how to remove text. Now I'll put a link to this in the video description. It's a completely free site for what I'm going to be using today. All right, so the image that I'm going to be generating here is a cat astronaut flying through the Milky Way galaxy, stars and suns. And Copilot's created a pretty decent image here. The problem, of course, is there's a watermark right here at the top. It says made with AI, and I can't easily get rid of it because there's a black starry background. So I'm going to download this image, and then on DE Watermark, I'm simply going to go to upload image right here. Okay, and we can see here that this before picture shows made with AI. It's kind of hard to see because they have a little piece of text here on the top, but it says made with AI. And then the after, it's actually been removed. So I'm going to download this image right here. It's 1024 by 1024. Now you'll notice it did use up some of my free credits here. This does reset daily. So it is free in the sense that you're getting free daily credits. I didn't pay any money to use this. You just have to wait daily to get more credits, or just sign in with another email account. And there we can see my image looks really good. There's no watermark on the image. So here's an example of the sign-in sheet. Every day you log in and it'll give you free credits, 5, 10, 12, all the way up to 20. So again, I want to be very clear. I'm not paying any money to use this site. It's completely free. You just get daily credits, and then every day it just resets and you can add in more credits. And here we can see I've successfully claimed my 5 credits. I'll just go back here to the main screen, and we can see right now I have 10 credits that I can use, and this does reset daily. Savvy viewers will notice I've just logged in with a completely different account. I've got multiple accounts, and so I can upload and use this tool more than once in a day. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is, instead of the watermark, we're going to actually remove text. So I'm going to go up here to the top, and under products, I'm going to go right here to text remover, where I can erase text from images using Smart AI. Here we can see an example on the right-hand side where the text has been removed and it's been painted over. It's like a smart paint feature. And if you use Photoshop or Affinity Photo, you will be familiar with this. But here I'm just going to upload my image. And in this case, I'm going to be uploading a World War II propaganda poster that has text at the bottom. And I want to get rid of that text. All right, so here we can see on the left-hand side, there's my before. And then when I scroll over, we'll see on the right, the text has been removed. Now notice the 7 did not get removed. So I'm glad this happened because I can show you the third feature, which is the manual edit of this. So if you don't get all of your text removed, don't despair. There's actually a manual edit right here. Over on the right-hand side, it says result still has watermark, try manual edit. That's what I'm going to do now. I'll click try manual edit. Okay, and we can see our text is over here on the bottom left that I want to get rid of. And I can actually change my mouse wheel size. So you'll see there's a big circle there, and I can make the circle quite large, or I can make the circle smaller. So I'm going to make the size something like this, and then I can just paint over the 7. You can see there with red, it's being painted. Now, if you paint something by accident, there's an eraser tool right here as well. You can click the eraser tool and you can remove that red if you're not so inclined to have that. So I'm going to just make sure that I have my 7 selected, but not a whole lot else. Okay, I'm happy with the way that looks. Now I'm going to simply click this remove button right here. And we can see it did a very good job of just painting in a shadow instead of the text. That's pretty cool. There's other features on DE Watermark as well. Just hover over products and you can see a bunch of different products that they offer. But we covered the big 3 here today. We removed a watermark, we removed some text, and we even used the manual editor to fine tune it. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Completely free tool. You get daily credits. Check it out today. Here's another video where you can have some fun completely for free.